Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at EndeavourOS Cassini Nova, a new release from the EndeavourOS team. EndeavourOS is an Arch-based Linux distribution that aims to provide a beginner-friendly experience with minimal installation and configuration. Cassini Nova is their latest release, which comes with a bunch of new features and improvements. Let's dive in and explore what's new. The first thing you'll notice about EndeavourOS Cassini Nova is its polished user interface. The desktop environment comes with a beautiful, modern-looking theme that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. The overall experience is smooth and snappy, with minimal lag or stutter. EndeavourOS is built on top of Arch Linux, which is known for its rolling release model and the latest software packages. With EndeavourOS Cassini Nova, you get access to the latest and greatest software packages, which is a big plus for developers and power users. The package manager is also quite intuitive and easy to use, making it a breeze to install, remove, or update packages. The installation process for EndeavourOS Cassini Nova is straightforward and beginner-friendly. You can choose from different desktop environments during the installation, and the setup wizard will guide you through the process step by step. The entire process is well documented, with plenty of resources available online to help you if you get stuck. EndeavourOS Cassini Nova comes with several popular desktop environments, including XFCE, KDE Plasma, GNOME, and Cinnamon. Each environment has its unique look and feel, so you can choose the one that suits your needs and preferences. All the desktop environments are well integrated with the operating system, ensuring a seamless experience. One of the best things about EndeavourOS Cassini Nova is its support for the Arch User Repository, AUR. The AUR is a vast collection of user-contributed packages that are not available in the official repositories. With EndeavourOS Cassini Nova, you can easily install AUR packages, which is a big plus for developers and power users. Apart from the standard release, EndeavourOS also offers several community editions that cater to specific use cases. These community editions are maintained by dedicated community members who provide additional customization and tweaks for specific desktop environments. For instance, the EndeavourOS community offers community editions for the i3 and BSPWM window managers, which are known for their minimalism and productivity-focused features. These editions come pre-configured with the respective window manager, and users can get started with minimal setup time. Another popular community edition is the EndeavourOS ARM edition, which is designed for ARM-based devices such as the Raspberry Pi. This edition offers the same Arch-based experience as the standard release, but optimized for ARM devices. Community members also maintain the DPIN, LXQT, and MADE desktop environment editions, providing users with a wider range of options to choose from. One of the strengths of EndeavourOS is its rolling release model, which means users always have access to the latest software packages and security updates. This ensures that the system remains stable and up-to-date, without the need for a complete reinstallation every few months. EndeavourOS also has an active and supportive community, with forums and wikis that provide users with resources to troubleshoot issues and learn more about the system. The community is welcoming and helpful, and users can expect prompt responses to their queries and issues. The community editions cater to specific use cases, providing users with a customized experience based on their needs and preferences. And the supportive community offers resources and support to help users troubleshoot issues and learn more about the system. Overall, EndeavourOS is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, easy-to-use, and customizable Linux distribution. Another important aspect of any Linux distribution is its hardware compatibility. EndeavourOS Cassini Nova is designed to work with a wide range of hardware configurations, including both new and old hardware. The distribution has a good track record of working well with most hardware out of the box, including graphics cards, sound cards, and network cards. EndeavourOS also has excellent support for laptops, with features such as power management, touchpad configuration, and screen brightness controls, making it a good choice for users who prefer to use Linux on their laptops. EndeavourOS takes privacy and security seriously, and the distribution comes with several features and tools to protect users' privacy and security. For instance, the system includes the Linux Security Module, LSM, which provides an additional layer of security by restricting access to sensitive system resources. Additionally, the supportive community and the availability of community editions cater to specific use cases, providing users with a customized experience based on their needs and preferences. EndeavourOS is a highly customizable Linux distribution, and users can personalize their system to their liking with a wide range of themes, icons, and desktop environments. The distribution includes the EndeavourOS Welcome app, which provides users with a graphical interface to customize their system, including changing the desktop environment, installing additional software, and configuring system settings. Users can also customize the system using the terminal, with access to the Arch User Repository, AUR, which provides a vast library of software packages not available in the official repositories. This makes it easy for users to install and customize software to their liking. EndeavourOS uses the Pacman Package Manager, which is a powerful and efficient package management system. The package manager is easy to use, with simple commands that allow users to install, update, and remove software packages. Additionally, the distribution includes the PAMIC Package Manager, which provides users with a graphical interface to manage their packages. The system also supports the Flatpak and Snap package formats, which provide users with access to a wide range of software packages from different sources. In conclusion, EndeavourOS Cassini Nova is a highly customizable and versatile Linux distribution that offers users a polished user interface, intuitive package management system, and a rolling release model. The distribution provides users with access to a wide range of software packages, including those not available in the official repositories, and excellent hardware compatibility, making it a good choice for users with a wide range of hardware configurations. EndeavourOS also takes privacy and security seriously, providing users with features and tools to protect their privacy and security. And the supportive community and availability of community editions cater to specific use cases, providing users with a customized experience based on their needs and preferences. Overall, EndeavourOS is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, customizable, and secure Linux distribution. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.